time to become a programming architect. We're combining variables, conditions, and input to build something amazing. This is the moment we've been building toward. We're combining everything we learned, variables, conditions, and input, to build a complete working program. We'll create our very own password system and see how all these programming concepts work together like a perfect team. Here's what makes programming so powerful. Real programs don't just use one concept. They combine multiple ideas to solve complex problems. It's like being a chef who uses different ingredients to create an amazing dish. Let's build our masterpiece. First, we set our password variable to Scratch. That's our secret word. Then we ask the user to enter a password and wait for their answer. Here comes the important part. We check if their answer equals our stored password. If it matches, we welcome them in. If not, we keep asking the user for the correct password. This is a real security system. Here's professional programming advice. Break complex programs into 4 steps. Initialize your variables, get input from users, process that input with conditions or loops, then output your results. This pattern works for almost every program. Thinking challenge. Our password is set to Scratch with lowercase letters. What happens if someone types Scratch in all capitals? It would say wrong password. Computers are case sensitive, which means Scratch and Scratch are completely different to them. This is actually good for security. It makes passwords harder to guess. Variables store our important data. Conditions make smart decisions, and input gets information from users. Each concept has its special job, but together they create something way more powerful than any of them alone. This is a major milestone. You didn't just learn individual concepts, you combined them into a complete functional program that actually does something useful. You're thinking like a real programmer now. Incredible achievement. You've graduated from learning individual pieces to building complete programs. What an incredible journey. Real programs combine multiple concepts to solve complex problems. Variables, conditions, and input work together like a perfect team. We learned that complex problems need step-by-step solutions, and programming patterns help organize our thinking. Most importantly, you're not just learning concepts anymore, you're building complete working programs.